Hi friends, good morning. Today we discuss about for GATE 2022 examination important topics. One of the most important and major scoring area, that is for mathematics. In GATE examination, mathematics paper is very easy and simple, especially for mechanical and civil students. First topic is numerical methods. Numerical method is very easy topic and 2 marks for every year contain each paper. In numerical methods, first topic is Newton-Raphson method. In Newton-Raphson method, it is very easy topics. Mostly you will get here only. This is for x-axis, this is for y-axis. Real roots exist a and b if f of x equal to 0. That means f of x is f of x equal to x3 cubed plus 2x plus 1 if f of x will be 0. That is exist, real roots exist a and in between. Initial approximate x naught in a comma b. First iteration, that means x1. x1 will be this. So x1 equal to x naught minus f of x naught by f dash of x naught. If x1 equal to real root exist, it is will be closed for iteration. If not exist, then go for the second iteration. Second iteration will be x naught equal to x1 minus f of x1 divided by f dash of x1. If it is very easy, then remember this formula sufficient for, then solve for one question. Newton-Raphson method, first question. Starting from x naught equal to 1. One step of the Newton-Raphson method is solving the equation x naught x cubed plus 3x minus 7 equal to 0 gives the exact value of the x1 as. That means initial value is given. That means x1 equal to 1. Directly he asking for x1. That means this formula directly x1 equal to x naught minus f of x naught by divided by f dash of x1. Just remember this formula sufficient. Then solve the f of x equal to given equation x cubed plus 3x minus 7. If x dash of 1 equal to 1, submit where x equal to 1. X cubed plus 3x minus 7, that equal to, you solve the equation minus 3. Then f dash of x equal to 3x square plus 3, that equal to f dash of x naught 1 equal to 1, that equal to 3x. You get the 6. Then submit in formula x1 equal to x naught minus f dash of x dash divided by f dash of x naught, that equal to 1 minus 3 divided by 6, that equal to, you get solve the answer. Answer will be 1.5. This is for simplest way for the solving the all Newton-Raphson method problems. Methods. In numerical method, second topic will be bisection method. It is also important, very easy topic, similar for the Newton-Raphson method. Real roots exist if f of x equal to 0. That means f of x equal to, this is for x-axis, this is for x-axis, this is for y-axis. Here will be first approximate x1 equal to a plus b by 2. That means average of intervals. Then procedure for the first find the x1. If x1 equal to 0, then x1 is roots. If x1 equal to not equal to 0, if x1 equal to 0, that is for answer. If x1 equal to not equal to 0, then two process for finding. If f of a comma f of x1 have opposite sign, that means f of a is positive sign or f of x1 is negative sign or interchangeable. That sign roots will be between lies a1 comma x1. Otherwise we check for second option. If f of b or f of x1 have opposite signs, then roots lies between b1 b or x1. Second approximation, x2 equal to a plus x1 divided by 2 or x2 equal to b plus x1 divided by 2. Why? Because of using T formula will be, if a will be in this method a equal to minus b equal to positive. If in case both a and x1 will be both are positive, then use for the second b plus x1 divided by 2, b equal to negative or x1 equal to positive. Otherwise interchange, x1 equal to negative, b equal to positive, that is also same. If f of x2 equal to 0, then x2 is the roots. Otherwise we continue for the third approximation, but similar method for the first approximation. Let's solve the problem. Before going to problems, let's discuss some important points for the bisection method. It is very important for theoretical questions. In 2020 for IAS examination, asked one point, this method never fails. That is guarantee for the convergent in this method. Second point will be, in this method length of the interval reduced by half in each stage of iteration. This question will be this is very important for 2016 IAS and 2017 GATE examination. Next, convergent is very slow and with linear variation. This is for 2014 assistant engineering examination and 2015 ISRO examination. Last point, if error is permissible, then nth iteration, that is b minus a 2 power of n equal less than or equal to iteration. This means 2017 GATE 2 mark question. This is for very important. Just remember these points going to examination. It is helpful for 1 or 2 marks. Bisection method problem. First one, assuming roots lies in the interval of 1 comma 5, the second at the end of the second iteration, iterative value of the x into e power of minus x minus 0.3, that equal to 0, using the bisection method. That means f of x value will be given f of x equal to x into e power of minus x minus 0.3. If solution, if f of x equal to x into e power of minus x minus 0.3, if interval a equal to 1, b equal to 5, that equal to f of a equal to 1, that equal to 1 into e power of minus 1 equal to 0.0679. Next, f of b equal to 5 into e power of minus 5 minus 0.3, you get the minus 0.0663. Then first approximately directly. Why? Because of the a equal to plus, b equal to negative, so opposite sign. Then x equal to a plus b by 2, that equal to, you get the 1 plus 5 divided by 2, you get the 3. If x1 equal to, submit equation. Now f of x1 equal to 3, then you get 3 into e power of minus 3, you get the negative 0.1506. you get a equal to positive, x1 equal to negative, so you get the second approximate. x2 equal to a plus x1 divided by 2, you get the 1 plus 3 divided by 2, so you get the answer will be 2. So in question clearly mentioned, at the end of the second iteration value, so answer will be 2.